Creamy Garlic Shrimp Skillet is a delicious and easy-to-make dish that is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Here's a recipe that serves 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, 1/2 cup chicken broth, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and red pepper flakes, if using, and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes, until fragrant. Add the shrimp to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until pink and cooked through. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. Add the chicken broth to the skillet and scrape the bottom of the pan to loosen any browned bits. Simmer the broth for 2 to 3 minutes, until slightly reduced. Add the heavy cream and Parmesan cheese to the skillet and stir to combine. Cook the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes, until thickened. Season the sauce with salt and black pepper, to taste. Return the shrimp to the skillet and toss to coat in the sauce. Sprinkle chopped parsley over the top of the shrimp and sauce. Serve hot with rice, pasta, or crusty bread. You can also add other ingredients to this dish, such as sliced mushrooms, chopped tomatoes, or spinach, to make it even more flavorful and nutritious.